This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Karen Shell. Sitting up on a hill nestled in the trees sits this lovely home offering open concept and high ceilings. Take advantage of the 3-season porch with a cedar ceiling. It can be used with the sliding glass doors shut for cooler months or utilize the screens for warmer months. Sizable back deck would be great for entertaining or enjoy the privacy with a fenced-in wooded backyard. 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom on the first floor, primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom on the second floor. Oversized 2-car garage with laundry. The Meadows is near Kidsburg/Veteran Park, Route 199, Monticello Marketplace stores and restaurants, no HOA. For more information, review the details below.